While the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro is a gimbal for any smartphone, it was predominantly an iPhone exclusive device thanks to its dock kit integration. Now though, Android users will be particularly pleased to hear that they can also use any smartphone app with the gimbal thanks to this, the Insta360 AI Tracker. Previously, good subject tracking required the use of Insta360's own Android or iOS camera app, or any iOS apps that supported Apple's dock kit framework. Now though, with the new Insta360 Flow 2 Pro AI Tracker, it can handle the tracking and controls the gimbal on its own, letting you record, stream, or make calls with your preferred smartphone app irrespective of whether it's iOS or Android. It kinda looks like a mini Insta360 Go camera on a mount with a very similar design, a small camera lens on one side that handles the tracking, connected to this mount with a single USB connector on the end, in between a pair of clips that secure the unit to the gimbal. There's really not much more to it, a seemingly small yet powerful device. So with the gimbal powered and a smartphone in place, the accessory plugs into the Flow 2 Pro's onboard USB-C connector, and can be made to face either way, depending on which direction you wish to shoot. The clips latch securely into place, making sure there's no chance of it coming away mid-use. Adding to its usefulness is the inclusion of a spotlight, complete with 3 brightness levels and 3 color temperature settings, which you can cycle through using the buttons available on the device, all nice and easy. From here, a quick tap of the side button and a hand gesture will start subject tracking. So previously, key features like multi-person and active zoom tracking were unavailable to Android users, as was compatibility with third-party apps. This AI tracker fixes that. With its independent camera dedicated to subject tracking, it effectively makes the Flow 2 Pro platform independent. Not only does it seem more precise with general face tracking, even with the iPhone, it frees up Android users from shooting on Insta360's app, just as the dock kit integration had done for the iPhone users. Now, Insta360's excellent AI tracking algorithms will work on the native camera app as well as on third-party ones, even bringing gesture functionality across the board, allowing you to start and stop its tracking by raising your hand, or start and stop recording by raising 2 fingers. Saying that, the tracking capabilities aren't quite as robust as what you'll get with the Insta360 app, and it's a shame Android users have to spend extra on this accessory to get the functionality iPhone users already had. But otherwise, the tracking algorithm can handle obstructions, animal subjects, and even multi-person shots with ease. In essence, the Insta360 AI Tracker bridges the gap in tracking support between iPhone and Android when using the Flow 2 Pro. While it makes a lot of sense for those using Android phones, it doesn't really add too much for existing iPhone users. So if you're an Android user with a Flow 2 Pro and want to use any app while tracking, this AI tracker is a must-have accessory.